Over-sanitizing? Here's how to keep your skin soft. While soap prevents the spread of the virus, frequent hand washing can also dry your skin. Washing hands or sanitizing them regularly with an alcohol-based handrub is one of the top ways one can avoid getting infected by, and further spreading, the deadly coronavirus. As the frequency of hand washing has increased, there may be a worry of drying your skin in the process. The first and foremost rule is to prevent excessive usage of alcohol-based sanitizers, as they can make your hands dry and dehydrated. It is instead advisable to wash your hands methodically as per the medical guidelines, or whenever you feel you may have been exposed to cough, sneeze or contact of some unknown material or surfaces. In case of contact with any household items, which may not be infected, use a milder or diluted hand wash. After every hand wash, be sure to moisturize the skin with a non-alcohol-based moisturizer, Dr. Sharad Kulkarni, Ayurveda. He adds, apply sesame or coconut oil to hands 15 minutes before stepping in for a bath. You can also apply olive oil to your hands every night before you sleep. In case of severe dryness, olive oil can be mixed with ghee and applied each night. Moisturizing your skin is one of the ground rules of skincare. Health experts have advised us to wash our hands frequently with soap to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. While the properties of the soap prevent the spread of the virus, frequent hand washing can also dry out your skin immensely. Dry skin can also feel itchy and appear wrinkled. To avoid this, make sure you always apply a moisturizer after drying your hands. This will leave your hands soft and supple, Dolly Kumar, founder and director, Skinella suggests. You can also make use of the self-isolation period to care for skin. Here's how. Avoid touching your face. Your hands come into contact with multiple surfaces throughout the day. Touching your face frequently will only transfer the germs and impurities from your hands to your face. Since facial skin is sensitive and soft, keeping it clean is necessary to avoid acne or any skin irritation, allergy. Cleanse your face with a mild face wash twice a day and multiple times with just water. Try using DermaSafe Gentle Exfoliating Cleansing Gel. Don't forget to apply a moisturizer after patting dry. Time for some DIY. A majority of us have time in abundance and might be bored without being able to step out of our homes. This is the perfect time to experiment with some DIY face masks. There are several masks that you can make easily with natural ingredients. For example, you could simply mix some aloe vera juice, honey, and turmeric and apply it on your face for 15 minutes before rinsing to prevent breakouts and skin aging. Hydration and exercise are a must. Your body needs to get rid of toxins, and exercise and hydration are an excellent way to do so. Even though gyms are closed, you can try some simple home workouts without fitness equipment to stay active. Even a brisk walk on your terrace for 20 to 30 minutes will leave you feeling refreshed and energized. Stay hydrated with water and fruit juices throughout the day. Cultivating healthy habits is important, so have a balanced diet and avoid any junk food. Remember to like us on Facebook, fb.com/DermaSafe for more tips like these.